Hello guys. It is incredible news for Cardano, and after a hard time seems like it's clear that Cardano is not only our favorite, but best chose of many other serious companies, including exchange companies. Cardano is listed on a European company, which is incredible news for Cardano. At the end of this video, we will talk about Cardano price prediction, so stay with Cardano Foundation partners with top European cryptocurrency exchange. Major European exchange, Whitebit has announced a new partnership with the Cardano Foundation. Whitebit users can now trade ADA perpetual futures, first step of the cooperation. The Whitebit exchange will also take part in the Cardano Summit. At press time, ADA remains the 9th biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The token that underpins the Cardano blockchain is current. Should you buy Cardano? The all-time high of the Cardano ADA cryptocurrency was on September 2, 2021. At a value of $3.09. Here we can see the cryptocurrency was $2.767 higher in value, or 856 higher at its all-time high. When we look at the 7-day performance for the Cardano a day cryptocurrency, we can see its low point was at 317 cents, while its high point was at 377 cents. Here we can see an increase of 60,105 cents, or 19. In terms of the 24-hour performance, Cardano saw its low point at 32 cents, while its high point was at 33 cents. This marked an increase of 4. As such, traders and investors should take up the opportunity to buy ADA, which can climb to 42 cents by the end of November 2022. Here we can see an increase of 60,105 cents, or 19. Cardano price prediction is bearish until it breaks out of a descending triangle pattern that provides resistance at 3,445 cents. Cardano's price has slipped by more than 4 in the last 7 days. On the lower side, Cardano is likely to gain immediate support near 4,160 cents, or 29.15 cents. Can we expect the Cardano price forecast to be bullish, and can Cardano reach $3 in November? Let's find out. Cardano price A tokenomics. Cardano's current price is 3,285 cents, with a 24-hour trading volume of $271 million. In the last 24 hours, Cardano has dropped over 2 CoinMarketCap, currently ranks Drite with a live market cap of 11 billion. There are 34,408,861,477 ADA coins in circulation, with a maximum supply of 45 billion ADA coins. The ADA Ace to pair opened at 3,368 cents on November 16. ADA West is currently trading at 3,344 cents, having reached a high of 3,443 cents and a low of 3,334 cents. Furthermore, the ADAS pair fell by more than 10 in the previous week. Whales are bullish. The recent FTX Alameda conflict had no impact on ADA pricing because it was not listed on the exchange platform. As a result, experts continue to have a strong forecast for the Ethereum rival. Furthermore, Cardano has seen an increase in the number of wallets. According to statistics from Cardano Blockchain Insights, on November 7, there were 3,638,425 wallets on the decentralized finance (DeFi) network, and as of November 16, there were 3,690,261. Additionally, according to information from the crypto intelligence platform Sentiment, there has been a growth in the number of daily active addresses, weighted sentiment, and stakers. Sentiment claims that despite the sell-off caused by the FTX crash, whales have been adding ADA tokens to their wallets. In comparison to 130,000 addresses just 1 month ago, there are now 134,000 addresses holding between 10,000 and 100,000 tokens. It suggests that whales anticipate a rise in ADA's price,